Hey, what up? We in Vonte's world. Monte's world. Vonte's world. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. It's your world. It's my world. It's our world. What up, though? YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we got Broski's Buick Lucerne right here in the background, and about to be doing a little quick adjustment to it real quick, as y'all can see in the title and the thumbnail.
Like and subscribe, come on now. It takes 2 seconds.
Right, y'all see what's going on
Like
here?
and subscribe.
I bring y'all the lit
Like
shit,
and
man.
subscribe.
We just doing the simple thermostat change
Yes, sir.
on a Buick Lucerne.
Y'all can see it's right there, so it's easy to get to. You know what I'm saying? Thermostat is right there. It's easy to get to. I did a video like this where I replaced the thermostat on my charger, so it's pretty simple. It's pretty easy job to do. It don't take too long. It don't take too much effort. We finna go ahead and knock this out and show y'all the process. I'm gonna wait till bro get back in and tell him, so he can tell y'all why he changing it, what issues he was having. Shoes coming on this bitch real soon, so stay tuned in for that, cause we always gonna drop new feats back to back to back. The whole gang, the whole squad gonna drop new feats back to back. Yeah. Oh yeah, so bro, tell them why you changing and what type of issues you was having.
Oh, just to check engine light. That was it really. You want to stay on top of anything. As soon as you get a problem, you want to fix the problem.
Right. So go ahead and get rid of that check engine light and get this bitch back up, running nicely. Yeah, what's going on over here? What the hell they got going on?
Are they chasing you?
Oh, it's some shit. It's some shit going on over there. You see? It ain't me.
Oh,
shit. I thought it was me. I thought it was me for a minute. I'm like, bro, what the fuck did I do? So them 10mm bolts right there. Go ahead and pop them bitches off. You know it's gonna come right off. Some fluid might, coolant might leak out. If it do, make sure you when you put the new one in there, after you seal it back, like rinse water over that shit, cause that shit is corrosive.
what?
The coolant.
Oh,
So like after you put the new one in there, rinse, like just run some water all where the coolant drip at, cause that shit'll start corroding.
like okay. Water straight on the engine?
Yeah. Just make sure that bitch turn on and it's running.
Damn, let's get this ready.
Hey.
Yes, sir. I could have probably did it more, so but like I said, I like to have niggas with me and shit.
Yeah.
Oh damn, this whole thing came out. What the fuck? You supposed to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, like whoa. And then there we go. There's your thermostat. It's on? Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this is what we changed now. Just this piece right here. We're gonna wipe that off.
Yeah, wipe that shit down.
Some cars, every gasket is different. Some got the little rubber one, some got this little ring one. It just depends on your car. Alright. And that there is your old thermostat. I don't know why my engine light came on. But this is the code it gave. Oh damn! Oh dang!
I'll wash that bitch off and take it back up to our zone. You could do that, bro.
What?
Take that bitch back.
Take it back?
Yeah. Wash that bitch off, clean it the best as you can. Put it back in that same box. Take your receipt back. Take that bitch back up there. Like, oh, yeah, this ain't even what I needed. I needed. It was another code. Crack some shit, and then you will be fucked. Start this motherfucker up and rinse it off so you can rinse off all the gross and shit. Alright, so now we went ahead and changed the thermostat on there. He added in some more coolant into the system. We sprayed out the little coolant that leaked out so it won't corrode. Wiped everything down. Now it's good to go. So it's that simple, man. If you want to change the thermostat on one of these Buicks right here, that's exactly how you do it. Quick, simple, easy, to the point. You know what I'm saying? Quick, easy job. So yeah, man, hit the like button. Hope that helped y'all out. Hope we showed y'all something if you didn't know. Hope we showed you a little technique or something. But yeah, just like that, we up out of here.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
I'm getting off, bitch. Svonte been a boss. Niggas talking all this shit, but they been at loss. They broke. Counting up all these blues, damn, I just got lost. Damn, running up all these bands like Shakiri Richardson. Running up, let's get I'm a little more richer now. I got more wisdom now, bitch. I'm a rock star like Lil Richard now.